word that introduces a noun. It is a word that introduces a noun or gives us clarity of a noun. It introduces a noun and it gives us clarity of a noun. It gives us clarity. It gives us clear picture actually, especially the quantity and possession. Okay? Quantity of noun and possession also. So generally, what does it tell us? Quantity. It tells us quantity. It tells us number, how many nouns are there. It tells us possession. Noun belongs to whom. It shows possession. It shows, it asks questions sometime. It tells us whether the noun is definite or indefinite, means articles. It tells us whether the noun is indefinite. Indefinite होता है जिसके बारे में हमें नहीं पता, like a and n. Or definite. Definite means we know about it. Or definite. और क्या बताता है ये? Number, quantity, possession. I think that's it. So we can do the types of determiner. It points out, yes, demonstrative. Sometimes it points out the noun. That house is mine. We can just point out the things. That house is mine. Savya, yes, beta.
I raised hand for giving answer.
Okay. So determiner is a word that introduces a noun. It introduces a noun and it gives us clear picture of a noun. कि noun की quantity कितनी है, उसके कितना number है, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many, possession, my house, your house, किसकी चीज है वो. Okay. It asks question also. Question word भी इसमें आते हैं. Indefinite, when we don't have knowledge. Definite is we have knowledge of someone. It points out that house is mine. These girls are going to perform. So ये point out भी करता है. Okay. So these are the functions of determinants. These are the functions that it performs. Now we'll write the categories or types of determinants. Please note down, then we'll move forward. Have you noted down, everyone? Raj, Aryan, done? Note down, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting quickly. Now note down the types. आपको types याद है? 7th A, online students? Savya, do you remember types? Any one or
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, possessive adjectives,
two?
articles.
Okay. Okay, Shobh, add something. Then Gaurish, add something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute Shobh. Shobh and Gaurish. Whoever is, I think.
Ma'am, number.
Yes, yes. Numbers, okay.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Your voice is cracking.
Okay, let me check the network. Give me 1 minute. Jasmine, बेटे को बैग देना. I just use my network. ये वाला बैग. बैग. 1 minute. Beta, am I audible? Please speak up. I'm going to unmute you. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible now.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, fine. Okay. So I'm going to write down the types of determiners. Please note down, then we'll do one exercise. So first determiner is demonstratives. So they are this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those, plus noun. So plus noun, types के साथ noun जरूर आएगा. Plus noun. Second type, possessives. There are 7 words which are included in possessives. My, your, his, her. So these are the 7 words which are included in possessives. Next is number. Ordinal numbers as well as cardinal numbers. ये cardinal है 1, 2, 3 up to so on. All the numbers जितने भी counting में है, they are included in numbers. अब नहीं आप उस bench पे आओ बेटा. Second bench. And ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth. They are also included in numbers. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Possessives, my, your, his, her, our, its, their. Number, cardinal, ordinal, both. Next type. Interrogative. Interrogative. What, which, whom. Only 3 are there. Whose, sorry. What, which, whose. और इनके साथ भी noun आए. What, which, whose plus noun. One student, please better stay unmuted and please let me know अगर आवाज ना सुने.
Okay, ma'am.
Next type is distributives. Each, every, no one, someone, somebody, both. So many are there. Each, every, no one, somebody, someone. एक क्वांटिफायर्स रह गए, उसके अलावा कोई टाइप पढ़ी है, प्लीज लेट मी नो. I think we did this in detail, so please tell me. Other than quantifier, something is left? Yes, Akshara?
Ma'am, articles.
Okay, articles, yes, exactly. So write down articles, please. Articles आपको पता ही है क्या होते हैं बिशप? Yes. Articles a and the. Last type is quantifier. Last type is quantifier. I'll just tell you in detail. सबसे पहले ये 6 types note करो. Note down these 6 types. राघव,
मैम मैंने कहना है आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है, आपकी वीडियो भी बहुत फ्रीज हो रही है
Gaurish, same thing.
मैम।
No.
तो मैम अब नहीं आ रही मैम, अब ठीक होगी हुई है
मैम अब
Okay, Raghav, बच्चे आप rejoin करो बेटा meeting. Maybe there is network issue from your side. You can just rejoin the meeting. Okay, now next is quantifiers. Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers नाम से पता चल रहा है हमें क्वांटिटी बताता है, ठीक है? It tells us the quantity of something. It can tell us the quantity of countable nouns or uncountable. It can tell us quantity of countables or uncountables. अब countable के साथ क्या क्या यूज होता है, हम एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. Suppose students are countable. इसके साथ कौन कौन
Yes,
से
ma'am.
वर्ड लग सकते हैं? Everyone. Jasmine.
मैम few, a few,
Yes, exactly. Jasmine.
then some,
Okay. Loudly.
many, much.
Not audible. Much बेटा uncountable. Much students होते ही नहीं ना. There are much student in the class. Is it possible? There are many students in the class. Kilometer, no. Overviews में जाएगा uncountable में. Okay, more. Many की other type है more. Okay. और okay, some. Few, a few, the few. अब मैंने आप वो उसमें जाएगा बेटा uncountable में. Several भी many होता है kind of. Some. बेटा वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव्स था, कोई नहीं, आप रिवाइज कर लो, ठीक है? एक बार सिट डाउन रिवाइज कर लो बच्चे. नाउ अनकाउंटेबल में मैनी का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? मच. फ्यू, अ फ्यू, द फ्यू, दे आर यूज्ड विद अनकाउंटेबल. अनकाउंटेबल के साथ लिटिल, अ लिटिल, द लिटिल. सेवरल इसमें नहीं आएगा. और क्या आ सकता है? सम, इनफ, दोनों में आ सकता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आर इनफ. वी कैन स्टार्ट द लेक्चर. सो इनफ कैन कम इन बोथ. Now who will tell me the difference between few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little? I think I explained you so many times in class 6 also and in this class also. Only one student is raising. Okay, no one is raising hand. Very nice. A few, a few, the few. What is the difference? Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, few has a negative meaning.
Few has a negative meaning. Okay.
Ma'am, a few has a positive meaning and the few means जितना भी सारा ही आ गया the few में.
Okay. Yes. So she spoke as it is. जैसे मैंने बोला था, I think 6th में. So she has spoken the same line, I think. So well done, Ipsa. Next is Gaurish, Savya. Anything better that you want to add?
No, ma'am.
See,
No,
beta,
ma'am.
this few is having negative meaning. हमारे पास कुछ है but वो इतना नहीं कि पूरा आ सके. This is not enough. I have few coins, so I can't buy this toy or this chocolate. So वो enough नहीं है. मेरे पास है coins, no doubt, but they are not enough. So this is a negative one. A few is a positive one. I have a few coins, but they are enough. I can buy this chocolate. मेरे पास जितने भी हैं इतने बहुत है. And the few is total. The few means total. I repeat.
And a little has a same like pattern
Yes.
like a few, but a little is used with uncountable nouns.
Yes, only this is the difference. Otherwise, same meaning is there. Okay. So few, a few, the few, they are used with countables. याद रखना. When we check your paper, I have seen so many students who write there is a few water in the jug. Countable के साथ few, a few, the few, and uncountable के साथ little, a little, the little. Meaning is totally same. This is negative, this is positive, this is total. Meaning is totally same. क्यों होता है नेगेटिव? क्यों होता है? क्योंकि इतना हमें बहुत नहीं होता. वी नीड सम मोर. दिस इज नो डाउट ये थोड़े से होते हैं बट दे आर इनफ. इतने बहुत है. एंड द फ्यू इज टोटल. नाउ आई विल गिव यू सम सेंटेंसेस रिलेटेड टू ओनली दीज 6 वर्ड्स. You have to fill in the blank with the few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Okay? Yes, Jasmine. आप बताओगे या मेरे से पूछ रहे हो? अच्छा. The few friends he had, all are very helpful. जितने भी उसके friends हैं सारे के सारे helpful. Total. Okay? Now I'm writing some 3-4 sentences, then you will tell me the answer. She is upset as dash friends came to the party. Okay, first we'll discuss first 3. I'm going to mute myself for just 30 seconds. I want to ask the offline student, then I'll ask you the same questions. Okay, two students said from offline student, two said a little in the first blank and two said little. So what do you think, Savya, Gaurish, Adgun? First,
Ma'am, in my opinion,
I think little.
little is
Ma'am,
the
Little is
little
the
is the-
appropriate
yes,
answer.
okay, Savya, speak up your answer in one word, one answer.
I mean, little.
Okay, Gaurish,
ma'am, little.
Adgun,
ma'am, little.
okay, Jasmeet, Savya, आप अपना आंसर रिपीट करना बेटा, your voice was cracking.
Ma'am, little.
Ipsa,
Ma'am, little.
okay, Akshara,
Ma'am, little.
okay, last Shobh and
Ma'am,
Madhav,
little.
Jasmine, Pritesh,
Ma'am, a little.
okay, Jasmine.
Ma'am, little.
So Madhav, you said a little, Avneet said a little, and Bishop said a little. बच्चे मैंने कहा था it is not enough. Little is not enough. इससे हमारी पूरी नहीं पड़ेगी. We need some more things. It is not enough. There is little water. Bring some more means और लाओ इतना पानी बहुत नहीं है. Okay. So little will be your answer. There is little water, bring some more means इतना पूरा नहीं आएगा. So little means negative. Why negative? क्योंकि इतना ये बहुत कम quantity है. We need some more. Okay. Again, I'm going to mute myself for another 30 seconds. Okay, Savya again. So many. Okay, Devang.
Yes, sir.
Devang. Devang, speak up, beta.
Ma'am, less friends.
Beta, you have to fill in the blank with these 6 options only. जो ऊपर लिखे हुए हैं. These 6 options. A few, the few, little, a little, the little.
Ma'am, few.
Ma'am, can I?
What's happening? Just wait, beta. Who was asking?
I'm
Ma'am,
Savya.
can I? Savya.
Okay, Savya and Saksham Samarth. Tell me your answers.
Ma'am, I think few.
Okay, Saksham Samarth.
A few.
दोबारा बोलना बेटा.
Ma'am, a few.
Okay, so according to me, few is the answer because upset का मतलब क्या है? Negative और positive? Negative ना? So means जितने भी friend आए उतने काफी नहीं थे. She was expecting some more friends. तो ये काफी नहीं थे. Okay, so few has a negative meaning. So few आएगा इसमें. Okay. Now the next one. She has dash friends. She is happy with them. अब वो happy है. Positive. Now speak up together.
Ma'am, a few.
Ma'am, a few.
A few.
A few.
A
A
few.
few.
Ma'am, a few.
A few. उसके जितने भी friends थोड़े से है उसके पास friends but she is happy with them. Positive sense is there. So a few. The few में total आता है बच्चे. वो भी मैं एक example लिख रही हूँ. The few और the little में ऐसा कुछ possession आएगी. Has, have, had. ठीक है. तो जितना भी मेरे पास total पानी था, he drank it. यहाँ पे total क्या आएगा? The little water I had, he drank it. The few friends she has, हैज हैव हैड 99% इसके साथ पक्का होंगे. द लिटल और द फ्यू के साथ हैज हैव हैड वर्ड्स जरूर होंगे एट योर लेवल. ठीक है, आपके 7th के लेवल में वी विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू पोजेशन. द फ्यू फ्रेंड्स शी हैज ऑल आर हेल्पफुल. द लिटिल जूस आई हैड इट फेल डाउन. जितना भी मेरे पास थोड़ा सा था जूस वो नीचे गिर गया. सो हैज हैव हैड विल टेल यू कि यहाँ पे द लिटिल आए. ओके, सो दिस वाज द कंसेप्ट few, a few, the few. If you have any question, please ask me, or you can lower your hands. You can ask me question, or you can lower your hand if you don't have any doubt. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Please lower your hand. There are some examples more, but I don't think so. We have much time. So quickly, please ask your question. Jasween, please ask better. Jasween. Okay, she has lowered her hand. Devang,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am. I'm lowering.
If Savya, any